Tabnine versus Codeium versus GitHub Copilot, choosing the right AI code assistant. AI powered coding assistants are now mainstream tools in the modern development. Whether you're working on personal scripts or enterprise apps, these three can help boost speed, reduce bugs, and streamline workflows. But each one serves slightly different needs in terms of model integration, pricing, and openness. Tabnine is an AI code completion tool focused on privacy and local model development. It offers both cloud-based and self-hosted options, making it a favorite for teams that need control over their code and infrastructure. Tabnine supports multiple languages and IDEs. Pros offers private self-hosted models, fast and lightweight autocomplete, enterprise ready with security focus, good for both individuals and teams. Cons, less context awareness than Copilot or Codeium, fewer smart suggestions, for example, no inline explanations, and some advanced features are paid only. Next we got is Codeium. So this is a free AI coding assistant with strong autocomplete and IDE integrations. It supports over 70 languages and offers context-aware suggestions, inline explanations, and even natural language search for files. It has gained traction for being fast and feature-ish without a price tag for individuals. Pros, 100% free for individual use, smart inline suggestions and explanations, supports many languages and editors, and it is actively being developed and expanding. Setbacks, so it is cloud-based only. There is no local model support yet. Some team level features are still maturing, and it does require account setup. Next is Copilot, GitHub Copilot. So this is OpenAI's flagship code assistant, offering deep IDE integration on high quality code completions. It's especially good for completing functions, generating boilerplate, and assisting with common programming patterns. Pros, polished UX and reliable completions, excellent for JS, Python, TypeScript, etc. Continuous trained and supported by GitHub, integrates with VS Code, JetBrains, and many more. Cons, paid after a free trial, cloud only, no private model option, and sometimes generates insecure or inefficient code. Final verdict. So go with Tabnine if you need a privacy focused self-hosted AI assistant for enterprise or local development, or choose Codeium if you want a completely free feature-rich AI coding tool with wide language support, or choose GitHub Copilot if you want the most polished production-ready AI experience with great context handling and IDE support.